Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to remove flex trim from both solid panels and glass panels. To do this, you'll need a flat bar like this one, and you'll need your hammer. Let's get started. Alright, so when we're going to remove the flex trim from a solid panel, we're going to take our flat bar, we're going to take this edge of the flat bar, stick it under the flex trim and on top of the panel, we're going to take our hammer, go ahead and beat it in, and then start peeling back on it. Now as you move up, you want to move up every few inches or so until you get all the way to the top. So after we've gotten it started, we're going to go ahead and keep moving up that piece of trim. Again, as I mentioned, we're going to move up every few inches or so. This will help keep the trim from getting damaged. Just, again, peeling it out nicely, and you work your way all the way to the top. From there, remove your piece of trim. When removing flex trim from glass panels, you want to go ahead and take the flat bar, same thing, take that edge. You want to push on the glass and get underneath the trim, and again, slowly pry on that trim, going every few inches or so until you're at the top of the piece of trim. Continuing from the bottom, again, take your flat bar, work your way up the piece of trim every few inches or so, put your foot on the bottom, work your way up the trim, work your way all the way to the top. And the trim is removed.